All that label maker tape now.
I'm getting her
Jock.
because I couldn't get her to eat anything.
Jock. Oh, label maker.
Oh, good. I was going to buy myself one of those the other day. What is it? Label maker.
Label maker.
She can label things.
Say that 3 times, Barb.
Label maker, label maker, label maker.
She did it.
Easy to use, PC connectable.
Oh.
So you put this into your computer. Don't mix with a printer. Yep.
Cool. Trust me, we need
put
a
out
new
strips.
computer.
Oh.
You do what?
That's in the next bag. We need a new PC.
Oh.
Got an only slightly
Thank
used laptop for you.
Oh, you're welcome.
And
Like fiber again.
Oi.
That's any paperwork that's in there to me. We know what
Don't be fooled by the box. It's a box.
Unmarked box.
it's a box within a box. Goodness.
Good thing you didn't waste all that wrapping paper, lady. Oh, I saved the box. This is a good box.
Order up.
That's just the return thing.
It's really thick. It's a deep dish pizza.
Pizza. Already. You are a big.
Holy mackerel.
She loves her chicken.
Do, do, do. Do, 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 do.
Behind you, John.
Marvin, what?
You're going to park second next.
Oh, shoot. Gotta make a...
Whoa.
sound. That's dangerously close to the edge.
Hang it over.
Well, we got some special water for you on the floor.
I've always been on the edge.
On the edge.
Yeah, that's fly fishing trout.
It's better than off the edge.
It's fly ice fishing.
Fly fishing.
It's flight fishing.
I just saw the water.
Alrighty.
My dog.
You did good.
I just thought I was
Global warming, you have to learn.
Right, yeah.
You did good, baby.
I was so proud.
Wait a minute.
Ah, it's cooked
There's
again.
another box.
Oh, you need one arm.
This is dirigible. Wow.
It's a leg lamp. Wow, what a great little lamp.
It's a thermometer.
It's a...
No, it's a thermometer.
A who meter?
A thermometer.
Thermometer. Kind of like a coffee thermometer. Me, I always thought thermometers didn't only stop at 12.
It's a dessert topping. It's a floor wax. It's both.
Thermometer.
Oh.
What's the temperature, John?
In the box.
88.
88 in the box.
88.
88 in the box.
No, it's 90.
Oh, it's a little shorter.
Oh. Running up. Just running up.
Put that on the outside of the house, or you wanted it for the outside?
What you want to avoid is mounting it in the corner.
Yeah.
Because then you can't take the screws out to see. Thank you very much.
You know, actually, it's just a really big pocket watch. Chicka-chon, chicka-chon, chicka-chon.
Flavor
Flav. There you go.
Where's the gold chain that goes with it? You know, from your...
That's at Christmas. He'll get that at Christmas.
That's out on the porch. So when you're outside, depending on what's more important to you, the time or the temperature. I thought there was a clock on board. Or, if you're wondering what the temperature is outside, you can have it there and just look out the window and you can see it.
Or if you put it on a pocket watch chain, then you're going to have pants on the ground, looking like a fool with your pants on the ground.
Kids.
What are you barking at? Okay, now John, tie your shirt up the way you did before.
I'll pass on that.
Oh, come on.
You got him once, he's not going to let us do it again.
So now it's official, Frank. Thank you.
We didn't even coordinate.
Delicious it is.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, boy.
For the video recording. He's really into it.
No. So I actually used it for work. I got it for my birthday last year. Guess what? I take pictures at parties and stuff in the river.
Video.
Time for the extreme close-up.
Get his hat, the Ace of Pains Club.
Oh.
Some paints.
I thought it was for
Thanks, Gwen.
A and P.
And Paige.
He's an artist from Vermont,
Yeah.
northern Vermont, actually based out of Bethel. So,
Okay.
and, a lot of guitar.
Based out of Bethel, Vermont?
Yeah.
Or chill out a little bit. What's the other one you like? You've given us some.
Janet.
Yeah, I like him.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
Now, do you like the instrumental so you can make up your own words?
No, we just tend to, like, if we play it, we just, like that. Yeah,
I do like the instrumental.
we do. She likes piano music a lot.
I hear nice. Do you play?
Yeah.